Welcome to Happy Hour. It's May, it's getting into barbecue season, and we're talking about cocktails that you can bring over to your friend's house while they're making up some burgers and dogs, and maybe they're sipping on some cold beers, but you don't want a cold beer, you want a cocktail. But you don't want like a martini or anything intense, because you're hanging out at your friend's house. You're probably gonna be there for a while. Like, easy, slow your roll. That's what these drinks are. Plus they just pair nicely with beautiful summer weather. We've made a Paloma, we've made a watermelon margarita. Now, I'm going to show you my personal party favorite because it's just so easy and so delicious that I think you'll like it. Today, we're gonna learn how to make a John Daly. If you wanna make a John Daly, laser John Daly, then you're probably gonna wanna brew some delicious sun tea and also make fresh lemonade. Do you know how to make sun tea? You put a bunch of tea bags in water and you put it in the sun. When it's no longer watercolored, your tea is ready. Lemonade you can make with just 1 part lemon, 1 part simple. What I suggest to you, kind of like when you go to a restaurant and they offer their own house-made ketchup. You're like, oh, I appreciate that you took the time, energy, and effort to make this ketchup, but Heinz has already made ketchup that's the best ketchup, so there's really no need for you to do your version of ketchup. So in the same spirit, I would say, let's make a John Daly, which is just an Arnold Palmer with some booze in it. You know what I'm saying? It's a real nice backyard sipper. It's my favorite jam for summertime barbecues. We're gonna start with the vodka. 2 ounces of vodka, boink, in your Collins glass, and then just go get some from the store. You don't need to be making your own lemonade unless you've got something to prove. Yup. That is so cheating, but it's also so good, and it's already made. Some things you just don't need to trouble yourself with. Lemon wheel. Look at me. I mean, if I hadn't talked that whole time, this drink would have been made in 15 seconds, and I'd have been back to the grill. Let's try it out. Do you like iced tea? Do you like lemonade? Do you like vodka? This is a drink for you. It's a nice, easy summer sipper. Low and slow. If you have a long party, you could put in less alcohol. That's using your head there, folks. Barbecue drinking. This has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this cocktail and many other cocktails at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart move. What to make, where to buy it, and who are you. You can also follow them on Instagram at main_spirits, but no matter what you do, don't listen to me, but drink deliciously and responsibly. Do that. Everything else is garbage. I'm a trash person.